Bonjour! Today we are going to learn how to use expression say with adjective. Previously in my other clips, I have explained that a noun can be a singular or plural. It can also be a masculine or feminine noun. Here you have few examples of nouns in few forms, okay, several forms. For instance, we have la table. We have les tables. We have le crayon and les crayons. So you have in masculine, masculine, you have in plural, you have in singular and feminine form. So if a noun can be either singular or plural, masculine or feminine, and adjective can also be singular or plural form, and masculine or feminine form. Here in this table, we have two adjectives, lourd and légère, in various forms. You have it in four forms. You have in singular masculine, singular feminine, plural masculine, and plural feminine. So for lourd, you have lourd with D, lourd with DE, lourd with DS, lourd with ES. For légère, you have légère with R, légère with E, légère with RS, and légère with ES. Even though the spellings are different, the pronunciation stays the same for most of it. Let's look at how we can use it. So here we have two nouns. One is le sac, which is in singular and masculine form. And the other one is la trousse, which is in singular and feminine form. Le sac means the bag and la trousse means the pencil case. So now we are going to say the bag is heavy. We need to choose the adjective heavy, which is in singular and masculine form also. So we have le sac est lourd. Now, if we change the adjective lourd to légère, we still need to use the adjective légère, which is in singular and masculine form, just like lourd just now, right? So we have le sac est légère. Now, when we use another noun, which is la trousse, the same thing applies. Alright? Okay? And trousse is in singular feminine form. And in this case, we need to choose the adjective which also in singular feminine form. So we have lourde and légère with E, and it is in singular feminine form. When we say that pencil case is heavy, we use la trousse est lourde with E. And when we say the pencil case is light, we say la trousse est légère, and we add E. Now, we will look at how we can use the expression say with adjective and with which adjective we can use it. Alright, say can be used with an adjective which is in singular and masculine form only. In this table below we have number 1, ton sac est lourd, when we use say or it is. And we need to choose the adjective which is in singular masculine, and that is why we have c'est. C'est ton sac, c'est lourd. I repeat that again. C'est ton sac, c'est lourd. Okay, number 2. Ta trousse est lourde. Now, lourde here is in singular feminine form. But to use expression say, we need to choose the adjective which is in singular masculine again. And that's why we have c'est ta trousse, c'est lourd, without the E. Right? And number 3, we have mon sac est légère. And when you say, it becomes mon sac, c'est légère. And the fourth example, finally, we have ma trousse est légère with E. And when used with c'est, the adjective used here is in singular masculine. And that is why we have ma trousse légère with R. And légère here is in singular masculine form. Okay, I hope that you were able to understand how do you say an adjective. That is all for today. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.